Hello guys, today I will be showing you some fidget spinners. Can you see all of the fidget spinners? They are really cool. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you all of them. I'm going to show you all of them by one. Oh yeah. Okay, first up is this one. No. It's called the Iron Man fidget spinner. This one I bought in India. Got this for my birthday. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So that's that. It comes in a cool case. It's the normal circular case. I have 23 fidget spinners. This is the golden fidget spinner. I got this when I was going back to school. It's a golden color, but the bad thing about it is, where is it? Right here. It's broken right here. I don't think you can see it on camera, but it's broken. It's a crack. I broke it when I was with my friends, and then I threw a fidget spinner in the basketball, and then it hit the sidewalk and just broke. So yeah. This next up is this one. I hate this one. It's really bad because I lost the bearings, and this used to be LED, but the battery went out. And also, I bought this at the aquarium. It's made out of plastic. So yeah, I don't like that one. Next up is this one. This one, I have like two of these, but these two are similar. This one spins faster, but this one doesn't have bearings, so that's why I don't use this one. Yeah. This one is the same thing as that one, but this one is much smaller. The bearings are really fat. There. Next up is this one. It's called the rainbow fidget spinner. My cousin gave this to me. I don't know where it's from. Also from India. And you can unscrew these. You can spin the X. It's the X. Now yeah, that's basically it. You can unscrew them. Now this is my fastest fidget spinner. It's really fast. I think it's been for about 4 minutes and like 20 or 10 seconds. If you spin it fast, then it'll spin for long. It's shaped, it's kind of a weird shape. So yeah, it's really fast. So it has a case, a cool case. This one is a cool green one. It's at Staples. It's really cool. Oh my god. Yeah, so basically, I like this one because it's really cool. It's a weird shape too. Yeah, that's that. Next up is my favorite one because it looks so cool. The gear fidget spinner. I wanted the 9-gear one, but I got this one. This is from the mall. It costs like $17. The gears move too. They spin too. Looks really cool when it spins. Really, it hurts. It's kind of sharp, just a little bit. So, yeah, it comes in a cool case too. Now this one is the really noisy one. I wouldn't bring this to school. It's a tambourine. It's really smooth. It helps me focus on stuff. It's because it's really smooth. I'd say about 2 minutes and something. I'm spinning out random ones. This one my cousin gave me. Yeah. So, the Captain America shield. It looks really cool when it spins. It's like that. It's like the Iron Man fidget spinner versus the Captain America one. Like Captain Iron Man versus Captain Man. Yeah. Hey, where are the screws? Yeah, we'll find them later. This one, it's my second fastest spinning one. This one, it's really sharp. It looks sharp, but it's not that sharp actually. I used to have a sharp one, but I lost that one. Now I have this gold fidget spinner. Gold dollar fidget spinner. It's not balanced at all. Like, I can balance it, but it's really not balanced. I got this on my birthday too. This is my best spinning one. Something is wrong with the bearings. Yeah, still spin for some time, but not that long. Can you hear that squeaky noise? It's slowing it down. What happened to that one? I don't like that one. This one is called the Harry Potter fidget spinner. Oh, it hurts. It's really sharp here. Not really this sharp. It's kind of hard to spin. Yeah. It's coming in a cool case too. My cousin gave this one for me. It really hurts. Can you see that? You can barely see that. Okay. Try to guess how many fidget spinners I have. Tell in the comments section below. This one is from Dubai. I bought it in the store on my last day in Dubai. I was going to India. I found it. Luckily, I found it on the last day. It comes from this case right here. I call this box I call that box the box of heaven, cause I like fidget spinners a lot. This one's just another normal fidget spinner. These two were bought at the same place. This one and this one were bought at the mall. It's just that this was lesser, cheaper. I don't know how much the price for that is. Now this one is the same thing. It doesn't have black bearings, so it's really slow. But even with the black bearings, it's slow. It's similar to this one right here. It's the same thing to this one. This one's faster. It's more quality. It's cool. Okay. Now this is really shiny. This is really shiny. Basically, it's cool. There's like where did I buy this again? Oh yeah, right, Walmart. It's like $7. Yeah. Now this one I bought in India. I was going to the monument, Charmer. It's in India. Yeah. There's a lot of stores, and I found this one, which is They had a lot of normal ones, but then my dad asked for like a different design, and they had one. It wasn't visible. Oh, where do I put these? This is one of the most rare fidget spinners. Like, people say it's one of the most rare ones. I don't really know why. It looks cool, I guess. It's called a dragon fidget spinner, and it's a dragon eye. I don't know what's so rare about that. Yeah. Okay, this is the last one. I forgot where I bought this one. It's not a normal one. It's my only orange fidget spinner. Yeah, out of all of these, this is my only orange one. I used to have another orange one, but I gave that to one of my friends. So, yeah.